Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get rid of blemishes, anything that's on a face that you do not want to be in of a photo of your subject. Yes, so how to get rid of that in Photoshop, starting right now. Alright, now we are in Adobe Photoshop. Now as you can see, there are little marks right here where I'm covering with my mouse, right here on the cursor. There are little spots that I want to fix in this photo. So we are going to go into our spot healing brush tool, or J on your keyboard, or if maybe you're selected another tool, just Shift J will cycle you through all the tools that have the J shortcut applied to it. That's a neat little trick in Photoshop. But yeah, we're going to do the spot healing brush tool just because we're just going to do a little bit at a time, and we're just going to draw. You want to be very careful with this tool because it can make your photo look a little weird. So we're just going to do little spots here. And we are almost done. We're going to get rid of these dimples. Just little creases here. Maybe you can fix some stuff over here. There are a bunch of things you can do. But that's it. You barely notice a difference of my face. And you just don't really have any notice or any reason to think that it was edited. So there are these little neat tricks that you can do in Photoshop to make sure your subject looks beautiful in your photo. I'm not saying I'm beautiful. So if you guys learned how to get rid of things that shouldn't be on someone's face in a photo of a portrait that you're taking, if you're a photographer of that person that are taking that picture but have blemishes on their face. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned how to get rid of those things in Photoshop from Adobe. I love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked that video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe and notification down below. And while you're down there, hit down those comments and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next.